everyone, welcome back to new content of Cybrosys. In today's video, we will discuss about the incoming shipments in two-step. A two-step incoming shipment process is a warehouse management strategy where the incoming goods are received in two distinct phases before being placed into the final storage. And this approach offers several benefits, particularly for business with complex inventory management. That's needs are those that require additional quality control checks. So the initial reception will be unloading and inspection. That is, the incoming goods are unloaded from the delivery vehicle and inspected for any damage or dispensaries. And the goods are then moved to the designated input locations with the warehouse. And this location is often a staging area where item can be stored, counted, and further inspected. And the other one will be the transfers to stock. So let's see how can we just manage this. So for that, you can just dive into the inventory module. From there, you can just move on to the configuration and choose the warehouses. Under the warehouses, you would be able to find the incoming shipment as received, then stored. That is in two steps. So as you just have two steps, we can just transfer the stock also over here, which means the once the goods have passed inspections, or if no inspection is required, they are transferred to the final storage locations within the warehouses. So this location is determined based on the factors such as the product type, expiry date, inventory turnover rates, and all. So let's see how this is managed. For that, you can just move on to the purchase module. From there, we can just choose a product. So let me create a new RFQ by choosing the vendor. I would like to choose the vendor over here as Chimney Furniture, and let's choose a product. So let's search for more products over here, and I'm gonna choose a product which is yeah, conference chair, or you can just choose any product which is not having any on hand quantity. So I would like to choose the large desk over here which is not having any quantity, and let's set the quantity over here as 5. Now let me just save this and confirm the order. So as I just confirm the order, you can see the RFQ is just turned into the purchase order. So we can receive the item either from here, or we can just move on to the receipt button, and here you can see we are just going to receive the item from the Chimney Furniture by using the operation reception or receipts and into the destination location. So we can also manage this from the inventory module. So as you just move on to the inventory module, you would be able to find that there is one operation or one transfer to do. And here we can see that we are just going to take the item from the Chimney Furniture into the input location to do. So you can just click on validate, and here you can see the next transfer button. So you can just go with the moving of the item into the uh, to the yeah, storage area right now. Now let's move on to the inventory overview. Under the inventory overview, here you can see we have one storage area over here. That is, under this we have one to process. Okay, so you can easily keep the item into our stock. So here you can see that the operation is storage, and currently we have the item in the input location, and we can just move the item into the output location by clicking on validate. Now as you just move on to the large desk, here you can see that currently we have an on stock of 5 quantity in our warehouse. So the benefits of using the two-step process is that by separating the initial reception from the final storage, it is easier to maintain the accuracy in the inventory records and prevent errors. And it also has a dedicated inspection steps that allow you to check the quality separately by reducing the risk of defects or damaged goods entering the inventory. So that's how we just deal with the two steps in the Odoo inventory management of the incoming shipment. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching the video.